When a Spectrum modem blinks blue, it typically indicates that the device is not connected to the internet. This issue can be caused by a variety of factors, including scheduled maintenance or network outages, loose or damaged cables, and software glitches. To resolve the problem, start by resetting the modem, as this can remove temporary bugs that may be disrupting the network connection. To do this, remove the batteries if the modem has them, or unplug it from the wall outlet. Wait 2 to 3 minutes before plugging it back in. Then turn it on and let it boot up. If the blinking persists, check for outages on the Spectrum support page, where you can initiate a chat function and sign into your account to follow the prompts. If an outage is not the issue, inspect the power and coaxial cables to ensure they are securely plugged in and in good condition, disconnecting and reconnecting them to rule out loose connections, and replacing any damaged cables before restarting the modem. If the problem continues, contact Spectrum directly for further assistance.